this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing the requested card, and it's this little card. It's a gift card 2.5 by 3, and it's a little gift card I made to coordinate with this little box that I shared about a week ago. You can find that on my YouTube channel. I can link it below for you if you want. I also made a card. I did these as a gift for a friend. So I got a lot of requests to show how to create this little card. It's super simple and easy. And I took it a step further and I made some other cards using the same Bubble and Fizz. And it's this coordinating paper right here, and this paper is adorable. I love both sides. It's got the bottles on it and the little bubbles. I showed this before with the little bottle caps, and it's super cute. So I decided to go ahead and make a little set, and I'll probably give the set as a little gift, and I made coordinating envelopes. I'll show you how to do the envelope too this time. Using the designer series paper too. So yeah, let's get started with this. It's really easy, and it would make a really cute gift for someone with the little envelopes. And this is a kind of card you want to stick in like a birthday package, or just, you know, like if you want to send a little note to somebody, stick it in someone's lunchbox. This is the perfect size card for that. Alright, so let's set that aside, and this piece is 5 by 3.5, and you're going to score it at 2.5, so it creates the 2.5 by 3 inch card base. And then you're going to need a piece of the Bubble and Fizz designer series paper, and this is 2 1/4 by 3 3/8. Then you're going to need another piece that is, this is the Lemon Lime Twist Use Coordinating colored cardstock, and this is 1.5 by 3.5. And then the last piece is a piece of Whisper White for our sentiment, which is 1 inch by 3.5 inches. Alright, so let's just go ahead and put it all together. The stamp set that I'm using for this, it's the star of the show. It's this A Good Day. I love this set. This is super adorable, and I can't wait to use some of these other ones for projects. I love the bunny, and I'll probably use him for an Easter project. He's so adorable. I love them all. I can't say I don't like any of them. I love this whole set. And so let's go ahead and get this matted. And then we're going to go ahead and mat the Lemon Lime Twist. And you can see I just used scrap paper. All my paper that I used here, the solid cardstock, were all scrap pieces I had. And this is perfect for your scrap. Alright, we're going to stamp with Lemon Lime Twist on this one. The other two is Bermuda Bay and Calypso Coral. So we're going to stamp the Hello Friend right there. Oh, I need to do that one over. It didn't stamp well. Okay, that's good. And then we need another piece while we have this out, and let's go ahead and stamp the Just For You. And we're going to go ahead and punch this one out using our 1 3/8 scalloped circle punch. Yay, I love this punch. I'm so happy to have punches back. I've probably said it a million times, but I'm super excited about having them back. We're going to go ahead and attach this to the front. And then we're going to use a dimensional for the back of this one. For some reason I was thinking I matted this piece, but I didn't. I've been really in the Lemon Lime Twist thing here lately. You'll see that I've been doing quite a bit of lemon lime twist. Another thing you can do is stamp the inside. I did on this one. It says, "Here's to a good day." I did that because it's for a friend that we always say it's a good day type thing. We have a little thing. So that is it. Super quick and easy. I did put this one down a little bit further. This one I put more in the middle, but you can see they both look really cute. Alright, so let's get on with the envelope. So for the envelope, I'm using the envelope punch board, and for this size card, a 2.5 by 3, it says you need a piece of 5 by 5. So I cut the 5 by 5 out, and we are going to score at 2 3/8. So you're going to score it, punch it, and then score it. Just turn it, and now you're just going to follow these little lines here. You're not going to put it on the 2 3/8 anymore. You're just going to follow the line you already created when you score it. And just keep going all the way around till you're done. Alright, we have all 4 sides. Oh, we need to round our corners. Oh, didn't get that in there. I'm doing it backwards, so it's harder for me to see. Okay, let's put our little, and then we're ready to put it together. And even the inside looks super cute. So I'm just going to add some. For some reason, this doesn't look long enough. Did I do the right one? No, I didn't. Oh, I did the wrong one. This is for a regular basic card. I'm going to keep this one. So let's go ahead and cut the piece we need for, I was looking at the wrong one. So if you want to make a regular, I think this is for a 3 by 3 card. Yes, it is. So this is for a 3 by 3. I was looking at the one below it. So let's go ahead, and we need a piece that is 5 and, let's see, 5.5 by 5.5. So let's go ahead and cut this. So this is going to be a little longer than I thought it would be. So it's 5.5 by 5.5. I need one more envelope, so I have to do it anyway, so I might as well show you. I thought that sounded different than what I did before. Alright, so for the 2.5 by 3.5, it's going to be 2 3/8 again. I knew it was 2 3/8. Okay, I just had the wrong size paper cut. 2 3/8. Now just follow all your little score marks. This goes really quickly anyway. I think this looks much better. Alright, again, round your corners. This time it should fit. I thought it looked odd, but alright. So again, add fast fuse. I think this fast fuse is running out. It's been giving me a hard time. Let me grab the other one. There we go. There we go. And let's grab our card. Make sure it fits in there. And it does perfectly. So isn't that cute? You can make your own coordinating card. So here is all 3 of them. Super cute. So this would make a really cute gift set. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day. Bye.